Hi guys! Mabuhay sa inyo lahat and welcome back to our channel. It's more fun in the kitchen. My name is Mama Shirley. Ngayong araw na ito, gagawa tayo ng brownies na pwedeng pangnegosyo. At alam kong maraming babalik sa inyong customer dahil ito ay super yummy and delicious. So tara, simulan na natin! Para mapadali ang paggawa natin ng brownies, paghiwalayin natin ang dry ingredients at wet ingredients. Sa malaking bowl, pagsamahin ang flour, salt, baking powder, at cocoa powder. Haluin ito. Then set this aside. Sa another bowl naman, ilagay dito ang itlog. Batihin ito. Then unti-unti ilagay ang asukal. Make sure na natunaw na ito, then i-add ang ating vanilla at ang butter. This time, pagsamahin na natin ang dry ingredients sa wet ingredients. Haluin itong mabuti. Tara na, say hi! Ang red consistency ng ating brownie butter ay dapat thick at smooth na kagaya nito. Then, i-bake natin ito for 25 minutes. And now, it's done! Our super yummy brownies! Dito sa It's More Fun in the Kitchen, marami na rin tayong iba't ibang klase ng brownies. And if you want to watch this full video, please click the link in the description box. Kain po tayo!
What are you doing?
Come, eat. One bite. Ah!
Bueno, sugar. I've tasted this before. Right? For a very long time, I would taste it once. But now, taste it. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
At kung meron naman kayong recipe request, pakitype lang po sa comment box below. You can also follow us sa Instagram, It's More Fun in the Kitchen, at sa ating Facebook page for live cooking and update. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Salamat!